Nice having you once again, my wonderful scholars. Jump House question 2001, number 28. The cost of running 560 wax lamp and 400 wax lamp for 20 hours if electrical energy costs 10 naira per kilowatt hour X. Today's question is centered on NEPA bill, cost of electricity. Okay, if I may ask you, what do we buy from power companies? Do we buy energy or power? What do we actually buy from power companies, electric power companies? Is it electrical energy or electrical power? What do we buy? What do you think? In real sense, what we buy is electrical energy. What you purchase is electrical energy, but what is supplied is electrical power. You buy energy. Then when the energy changes position to locate you, it's called power. That's why we say power is the rate of change in energy. The flow of energy with respect to time is power. So you pay for electrical energy. That's what you buy. Then what is now being given to you or what is being supplied to you is the power. Our question today is on NEPA bill. Okay, let's get the parameters out for easy solving. We have 560 wax lamp. Then the total 60 wax lamp becomes 5 times 6 to be giving us 300 wax. It didn't end there. Let's presume this is a room. Let's do analysis of a particular room to know the NEPA bill the occupants will pay. So in that room, we have 560 wax lamp. So the total wattage there is 300 watts. It didn't end there. Then in the room, we have another kind of light bulb or lamp. And it rates 100 wax. And we have 4 of it. 400 wax. We'll be having 400 wax. 400 wax. Okay, no other wattage in that room. So this is total wattage we have. Let's add. In the room, we have 700 wax. 300 plus 400, 700 wax. Then the lamps were used for time of 20 hours. The time is 20 hours. And the power holding companies, they now want to get the NEPA bill from the occupants. Then this will be the analysis. Recall, what you pay for is electrical energy. You don't pay for power. Power is giving us work done over time. This is the word of electricity. This electric power, electric work done over time. We are not paying for power, paying for energy. Therefore, we make W the subject. Another name for work done is energy. The energy becomes PT. This is what we pay for. This is a NEPA bill. PT. Then remember our power is 700 watts. Our time is 20 hours. Okay. Then to get the power, we'll be doing 700 times 20. This is the power. But the key thing to note here is that the unit we will get here will be watts hour. Our unit here will be watts hour. Why? Because the unit of our wattage, the unit of our power is watts, and the unit of our time is what? Hours. I'll always tell my students, in solving for cost of electricity, the unit determines the way you solve. Recall the unit. The unit says 10 naira per kilowatts hour. That means in every 1 kilowatt hour of energy, we are paying 10 naira. In every 1 kilowatt hour of energy, we pay 10 naira. But what I have is watt hour. So the unit decides the way you solve. It guides you to solve. So I must go back to my watts to convert it to kilowatts. That's the point I'm trying to make. We must take this watts to kilowatts. Okay? In order to make what I have in my room to suit what the standard of power company, so that what I have will suit their standard, I will do some mathematical manipulations. Then I already know that my power, my energy, forgive me, my energy is power times time, and I'm having 700 times 20 watts hour. Then to convert to kilowatts hour, I will divide the power by 1000. As soon as I do that, I will go back here and add kilowatts hour. I've done wonders. I've moved our formula from watts hour to kilowatts hour just by dividing by what? 1000. Therefore, the energy in my room or in that room becomes, okay, if you observe 0.00000 becomes 14 kilowatts hour. So the total energy consumed in a room or my room is 14 kilowatts hour. Then it's now time to pay. Remember, we pay for energy. I now know the total energy I've consumed, the total electrical energy I've consumed in my room. Then it's now time to pay. And what's the standard of payment? The standard says for every 1 kilowatts hour, there's always one here. Before the kilowatts hour, I will pay 10 naira. Then I've used 14 kilowatts hour of energy. I'm paying unknown. Cross and multiply. X times 1 is X. 14 times 10, I'm paying 140 naira. 140 naira. So going back to our option, we can see the best option there is option D. Stay tuned as push ahead. Please do subscribe.